Welcome to today's sewing vlog. We are going to transform this dress into a trouser. You've already seen it, me dancing there. Huh? By the way, that's my late grandpa's song. I'm going to transform this dress with some coconut, some elephant. I don't know inanuka nini. It's going to be a palazzo baggy pants. Yeah, because the material is kind of like so stretchy. The first thing that I'm going to do, I'm still wearing. The first thing that I'm going to do, let me remove it. Here's the dress. This is the inner side. This is the lining. The thing that I want to do, I want to separate the top from this bottom skirt. So I'm going to just rip it off right here, and then let's see if this is gonna work. I don't know. I don't know. It better work. So for those who don't know, I do wear glasses. Yeah, so
why am I chewing? I don't feel like trying out this gum.
Yeah, so there's an option for me to use the seam ripper. There's an option for me to use this, but I'm just going to cut it through. It's my assumption that this it's going to be a semi-through kind of trouser, and don't want to walk around with people seeing your underwear. Maybe you're wearing a white and a pink underwear and everyone can notice what you're wearing inside. So I'm planning of using this lining to be like a blinder. So I'm still ripping. This is the first cut I've made, so let's just do this. I hate seam ripping. I do. Who else find themselves holding the scissors like this? I don't know. Most of the time I find myself doing this instead of this. I'm like, why? This thumb is always so selfish. Stick to your lane. You actually had a song playing at the beginning of this video while I was showing you this kind of dress. That's my grandpa's original songs. They are Kikuyu songs. He died in 2016, December 2016. He was my favorite human being. I just loved him. He's the person that I learned love from, because of the way he loved my grandmother. Like kitambo, mafuta ya coconut nito mafuta manathi ilikuanga kwa kamkebe kingine hapo kachupa. Grandma peke yake ndo alikuanga anatumia tu hiyo mafuta. I'm giving you stories while ninakata. Yeye angeletea hiyo mafuta atengeneze nywele, ajirembeshe, unajua ni kule geshagi. He was sick for quite some time, because even when he was releasing these songs, this album, it's actually an album, there are several songs. When he was releasing the songs, he was sick, and these are some of the things that reminds me of him. He did not live long enough to enjoy the fruit of his work, but there's one thing that I learned from him. Pursue your passion and your dreams even when you're old. It doesn't mean that when you're old, time imekupita and you can't be able to pursue something else, something that you love. That's what I mean. So like, follow your interest, follow your desires. And at the age, I think he was around 60, alitoa nyimbo, and that made him so happy. But I said to myself, like, hizo ngoma hazikusikizwa na watu wengi, and this is my channel, and in your channel you can put whatever you want. So I'm going to add my grandpa's song so that you can hear this talented man who is now with the Lord. Every time nikihold hivi naonanga kasi ja hold makasi vizuri, but ni kama mtoto ukimpea slippers avai, akivaa vibaya ndo anasikia amevaa vizuri. Ukimesha vizuri akili yake inafogodha. That's the way I feel with this makasi. And I think I need another pair of scissors. Hizi zimekuwa blunt already. Now the next thing that I'm going to do, I'm just going to remove the lining. I'm going to remove the lining as I've already done. And then this one, this is big enough. Oh, it's big enough. So I'm going now to cut the shape of the triangle. The shape of a trouser. This one. No, the pattern. I'm going now to cut the pattern of the trouser like this here. So I've never used this kind of material. I don't know how it's gonna. Hey, I don't know. Aki sijui venye itaenda. Sijui kama we. So nitataka ikuwe kinda a high waist, and ndio imani uleno ivuka. This is umasikianga triwendera. Hii ndio ile triwendera kabisa. Sijui inahitaji tension inakaa aje, but I'm just going to do a tryout. I'm using this pair of shorts to draft the pattern. So as usual, I'm going to start with the curve. I don't know, I'm just so tensed, I'm just so anxious. Yes. There's so much tension here. So I've done the thing, and you all know what I've done with the seams. I've done a double stitch. Yeah, it's so clean. Now let's do the legs. You do the legs. Find the crotch area first. Oh, it needs to be inside out. Oh, I almost made a blunder. Needs to be inside out. And then we sew the legs and the other leg. Let's do it. Let's do it. Don't mind about this. Hizi ni socks zilifuliwa I think juzi, and niko na uvivu ya kuzi untan. So ziko hapo. Zikitoka hapo zinakuja kwa hii kiti nimekalia. Nikitaka kutumia hii kiti zinarudi pale. You know that single nguo kwa kitanda, kitanda kwa kiti. You live in a bed sitter, you know what I mean. So I've done the legs. Kama kawaida tumefanya a double stitch. For the waist, I'm gonna do a very simple kind of thing. I'm going to sew from here, go around, but I need to do 2 pins here. I need to do 2 pins so that I can remember I'm supposed to stop here, so that I can be able to insert this elastic band. It says it's 2.5 centimeters. Yeah, so when my machine starts behaving like this, it's a way of telling me today's work is done, and it's done. Until tomorrow, bye. Hello, it's the next day actually, and the light is even way better. So yesterday, before I left you, or you left me, it was a bit dark, but now we are in the light. So far what we have done with this trouser, I think it's going to be a kind of 3/4 trouser. So this is how we did the hemming, or the stitches. That's what we, I don't know, I have a running nose. So this is the bottom. I never touched the bottom, so it's already hemmed. Now whatever I was doing yesterday, I wanted to attach the waistband, but I think the machine was like so tired, so this is what happened. You can see the stitch. Let me hide my face. You can see like it was I'm done for the day. So that's what happened, and now I'm back. I want to redo it, and then I add this 1-inch elastic band. That's all for today. Let's have a look. Now we are good to go. I'm going to insert the elastic band from the space that I left. I'm using this.